Well, now moving towards the felicitation, big thanks to all the honorable dignitaries for showering us with their pearls of wisdom and showing us a way forward for the future of education. We are honored to have you here today at the summit. Now I will request Manmeet sir and Dr. Sashi ma'am to please felicitate the honorable guest. First, I would like to thank Shri Kuldeep Mehta ji, Assistant Director, Education Department, Government of Haryana, our guest of honor, for taking out time from his busy schedule and coming here to the Education Summit by Time2Grow Media in association with Government of Haryana. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I request Dr. Vandana Shahi ma'am, National Award to Teachers 2022 recipient from the Honorable President of India, Principal BCM School, Basant Avenue. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here. We are honored to have you here today with us. Next, I request Ms. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 ma'am, Director, Ludhiana Sahodaya Schools Complex, Principal, DAV Public School, BRS Nagar, Ludhiana. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here. Next, I would like to call Dr. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 sir, Founder Principal, Brookfield International School, New Chandigarh. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here and enlightening us with your thoughts and views. I request all of you to please come for the group picture. Well, again, I would like to extend our gratitude on the behalf of Time2Grow Media for coming here and enlightening us with your thoughts and views.